Emulsion is a type of colloid formed by combining two liquids that normally don't mix. For example, the oil and the water. We cannot mix oil in the water because oil do not have any polar parts, and so for them to dissolve they would have to break some of water hydrogen bonds. Water will not do this, so the oil is forced to stay separate from the water. Base, a translucent substrate known as a film base, serves as a support medium for the photosensitive emulsions that is applied on the top of it. Anti-halation backing, its function is to absorb light that enters the emulsion, stopping any light from reflecting back through the emulsion from the base back surface or from anything behind the films like the camera's pressure plate. Yellow filter. The yellow filter is just one of the number of filters used extensively in black and white photography. The traditional use of yellow filter is when taking black and white pictures of a scene that contain a piece of cloudy sky. In this case, using a yellow filter drastically reduces the brightness of the blue areas of the sky while preserving the vivid colors of the cloud. Sabbing layer, a thin layer that allows emulsion to better adhere to the base. That exact composition of layers is proprietary information, but in general, sabbing layers are a mixture of cellulose, acetate cellulose, nitrate, and gelatin. Ultraviolet absorbing layer. To shield the imaging layer from UV radiation, a layer that absorbs ultraviolet light is added. The supercoat is the film topmost layer. This transparent coating of firm gelatin serves as a shield to guard the emulsion from harm as it travels through the camera. Sobrang pagbasa ko. Supercoat. The supercoat is protective substance made from acetate. It helps to resist surface abrasion, including the anti-static qualities.